The number of people rounded up in that massive heroin bust has grown to 22, with yet another arrest today.
And also today were court hearings for several suspects from yesterday's sweep. Investigators tell us this heroin ring operated through two men living here in Indianapolis, then funneling drugs to Anderson. The arrest came on the same day Madison County started its needle exchange program. Eyewitness News reporter Jeremy Brilliant tonight on the push to get help for users. Jeremy?
And Scott, this is a multi-pronged approach. Help from half a dozen drug counseling centers, the Madison County Health Department, and at the same time a dose of serious enforcement from police.
If there was any question about the dangers of heroin, look no further than this gas station. Located at 8th and Jackson and Anderson, it's where 3 young women overdosed on the drug while shooting up in the bathroom.
It's a very dangerous and deadly thing to do.
Suzanne Bottoms knows. She's watched lives ruined from the drug and others saved. Sowers of Seeds is a faith-based counseling center in Anderson and is one of several organizations supporting the recent decision to allow for a temporary needle exchange program in an effort to combat the spread of hepatitis and HIV.
This gives each of us an avenue to, the health department to stop what could turn into a serious epidemic, and counselors and treatment facilities like ours to be able to plant the seed and encourage people to receive treatment.
While some are getting treatment, others are getting locked up.
You know, it's something we consider to be extremely successful. We think it's going to have a very positive effect on our community.
A total of 22 people arrested yesterday accused of running a heroin distribution ring in Madison County. A father and son from Indianapolis are the alleged suppliers of the drug.
We're certainly optimistic that this is at least going to slow the tide in terms of the amount of heroin coming in. But I think it's important for people to understand that as long as addiction exists, those people are going to find a source.
And there has been a shift in the supply of drugs. Police say 6 or 7 years ago, heroin was being imported from larger cities like Chicago and Detroit. But in recent years, it's commonly brought in from Indianapolis. The problem is closer to home, and they say it's gotten much, much worse.